Welcome to HomePantry, your trusted source for all things kitchen and home. Today, we are diving deep into a product that promises to bring both health and convenience to your cooking routine, the GreenLife 7-inch and 10-inch frying pan skillets, 2 cutting boards, and 6-quart slow cooker versatile kitchen essential set in a vibrant turquoise color. This isn't just a collection of kitchen tools, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Let's break down what you get. This set is remarkably comprehensive. It includes 2 essential frying pans, a 7-inch and a 10-inch, perfect for everything from a quick morning scramble to a full dinner preparation. Complementing these are 2 cutting boards, an 8-inch by 12-inch and a larger 10-inch by 14-inch, giving you ample space for chopping and dicing. The star of the show for many will undoubtedly be the 6-quart programmable slow cooker, a generous capacity that can easily handle family-sized meals. Now, let's talk about the heart of GreenLife's cookware, the healthy ceramic non-stick coating. This is where they really shine. Derived from sand, this coating is not only incredibly easy to clean, but it also boasts a significant environmental advantage, producing 60% less CO2 emissions during its curing phase compared to traditional non-stick coatings. Crucially, this ceramic non-stick is completely free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that your meals are healthier for you and your family. The effortless release of food is truly impressive, making cooking a joy and cleanup an absolute breeze. Speaking of cleanup, convenience is paramount here. These pans are dishwasher safe, a massive time saver for busy households. However, the non-stick performance is so good that most messes simply wipe away with minimal effort, often negating the need for a full dishwasher cycle. This is a win-win for both your time and the longevity of the pans. A feature that many eco-conscious consumers will appreciate is the commitment to sustainability. The cookware vessels themselves, excluding the handles, are constructed from a minimum of 65% recycled aluminum. This makes the set not only a practical addition to your kitchen but also a responsible one. The 6-quart slow cooker is designed with functionality and family in mind. Its spacious interior means you can prepare hearty stews, tender roasts, or large batches of chili without issue. The programmability adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to set cooking times and temperatures for perfectly cooked meals with minimal supervision. Comfort is also a key consideration with the soft grip collection. The pans feature soft grip Bakelite handles that are ergonomically designed to stay cool on the stovetop. This is a small but significant detail that enhances the overall cooking experience, preventing accidental burns and allowing for a secure, comfortable grip. The cookware also boasts snag-free interiors due to its rivetless design. This thoughtful touch prevents food from getting trapped in crevices, further simplifying the cleaning process and maintaining a hygienic cooking surface. In terms of performance, these pans are versatile. They work on all stovetops except induction, which is a common limitation for many non-induction cookware sets. They are also oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for recipes that require finishing in the oven. So, what are the pros and cons? On the pro side, the healthy, toxin-free ceramic non-stick is a huge selling point, offering both health benefits and excellent performance. The eco-friendly construction using recycled aluminum is also a significant advantage. The convenience of dishwasher-safe cleanup and the comfortable, stay-cool handles contribute to a superior user experience. The inclusion of cutting boards and a large-capacity slow cooker makes this a truly comprehensive kitchen set. On the con side, the exclusion of induction compatibility might be a deal-breaker for some users. Also, while oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit is adequate for many tasks, it might not be high enough for certain baking or roasting applications. In conclusion, the GreenLife 7-inch and 10-inch frying pan skillets, 2 cutting boards, and 6-quart slow cooker versatile kitchen essential set in turquoise is a fantastic all-around package. It successfully blends health, convenience, and sustainability into a cohesive and attractive kitchenware offering. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware with a focus on non-toxic materials, easy cleanup, and a touch of vibrant color, this set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.